For a long time, I thought building wealth was about getting lucky, finding that one magic stock, hitting that one big crypto coin. I remember being in my early 20s, sitting in front of my computer late at night, reading about how some random guy turned a few $100s into millions overnight. And I told myself, yeah, that's going to be me. Back then, my idea of investing was simple. Find something that could make me rich fast. I wasn't thinking long term. I wasn't thinking smart. I was thinking desperately. Because honestly, I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I had a decent job, but it wasn't enough. I wanted freedom. I wanted out. And the stock market, that felt like my escape. Every headline, every video, every Reddit post made it seem like wealth was just one right pick away. So I dove in, reading reports, watching charts, studying trends. I thought I was doing my homework. But what I didn't realize was that I wasn't investing, I was gambling. And at the time, it didn't feel like gambling. It felt like hope. Every time I bought a stock, I imagined what life would look like if it exploded in value. I'd tell myself, just this one win, then I'll play it safe. But that win never came. I'd get a small gain, then lose it all the next week. It was a cycle. Win a little, lose a lot, and start over. Looking back, I can see how blind I was. I wasn't looking for a smart investment strategy. I was chasing feelings. I was chasing that rush of what if. But here's what I've learned after years of experience. The real path to wealth doesn't come from chasing hype or hoping for luck. It comes from understanding the difference between investing and speculating. When you invest, your goal is steady, safe, long-term growth. You're not trying to double your money overnight. You're trying to build something that lasts. Real investing is about discipline, patience, and consistency, not excitement. Speculating, on the other hand, is the exact opposite. It's gambling with a nice suit on. It's buying into the hype, following the crowd, and hoping to strike gold. And yes, sometimes it works. You hear those crazy stories, someone who turned a few $100s into millions on a single trade. But what you don't hear are the thousands of people who lost everything chasing that same dream. In 2025, it's easier than ever to get trapped in that cycle. Social media is full of experts showing off their quick wins. You'll see screenshots of massive profits, luxury cars, and vacation homes, all built on trading hype coins or penny stocks. But what they don't show you is the crash that comes after. The truth is, you don't need to be lucky to get rich. You just need to be consistent. If you invest wisely, slowly, and with a plan, you'll eventually get where you want to go. It's not flashy, and it won't impress anyone at a party, but it works. The best investors in the world, people like Warren Buffett, don't spend their days chasing the next big thing. They invest in what works and let time do its magic. Because time, not luck, is the real multiplier of wealth. So if you're someone sitting there thinking, I want to start investing, but I don't know how, then this video, this message is for you. Forget the hype, ignore the noise, and focus on what actually builds wealth. Because when you invest the right way, your money doesn't just sit in your account. It works for you 24/7. It grows quietly, slowly, and powerfully. And one day you'll wake up and realize that small, boring decision you made to invest smartly, that's what changed everything. When it comes to investing, most people make one big mistake. They think it's about timing the market. They sit there waiting for the perfect moment, trying to buy low and sell high. But let me tell you the truth. The people who get rich aren't the ones who time the market. They're the ones who stay in it. Take this example. Like if you had invested just $100 every month in the S&P 500 10 years ago, without doing anything fancy, you'd have over $24,000 today. And that's from doing absolutely nothing except staying consistent. You didn't need to pick the right stock. You didn't need to check charts every day. You just needed patience. And that's the mindset shift I want you to have in 2025. Stop thinking like a gambler. Start thinking like a builder. Wealth isn't built in a weekend. It's built one small step at a time. Let me tell you a short story. A friend of mine, Jason, started investing in his early 30s. He wasn't rich. He wasn't an expert, just a regular guy working a 9-to-5 job. Every month, he put $300 into a simple index fund. No hype, no crazy risks. Fast forward 15 years, that small amount turned into over $150,000. And here's the thing, Jason never once tried to time the market. He just kept going. Meanwhile, another friend, Mike, tried to do it the smart way. He jumped in and out of stocks, followed trends, chased crypto booms. One year he was up big, the next year he lost everything. Mike spent years chasing quick money, while Jason quietly built real wealth. You see, investing isn't about being smart. It's about being consistent. It's about trusting the process even when it feels slow. Because the truth is, wealth doesn't shout. It whispers. It grows quietly in the background while everyone else is chasing noise. Now, I'm not saying you have to put all your money in stocks. There are many great ways to invest. real estate, index funds, even starting a small online business. But the principle stays the same. Focus on steady growth, not instant wins. Here's a mindset shift that changed everything for me. I stopped asking, how fast can I make money? And started asking, how long can I keep my money growing? But that's when everything flipped. When you stop chasing speed and start respecting time, you move from being broke to being unstoppable. And let's be honest, 2025 is full of distractions. AI stocks, crypto, influencers, showing passive income screenshots, all designed to make you feel like you're missing out. But here's the truth. The quiet investor who buys an index fund, who reinvests dividends, who waits 5 or 10 years, that's the person who wins. Let's put it in perspective. If you had invested $1,000 in Apple in 2005 and just held on, it would be worth more than $60,000 today. But most people didn't hold. They sold early, panicked, or chased something new. They traded patience for excitement. So I'll say this. In 2025, the best investment strategy isn't to find the next big thing. It's to master the oldest rule in the book. Buy smart, hold long, and stay calm. Because money grows best in silence. It doesn't care about hype, trends, or market noise. It just compounds quietly, like a seed that turns into a tree when you give it enough time. So if you take one thing from this, let it be this. Wealth doesn't belong to the loudest person in the room. It belongs to the calm one, the one who's focused, the one who's patient. And maybe 5 or 10 years from now, you'll look back and thank yourself for being that person, the one who didn't fall for quick money, but built real, lasting wealth instead. Because the best time to invest was yesterday. The next best time, right now.